Hi, hello everyone. Let us see what happened today, what happened to the stocks which we plan, and then we'll also see what will be the stocks for tomorrow and what happened to the indices to the levels which we marked before the market. So now first we'll open the stocks which we planned for today. So these are all the stocks which we planned for today, and out of all these stocks we got entry in PFC, we got entry in Apollo Tyres, and we also got entry in IGL. We got entry in Colpal as well. Let us see how all these stocks worked, and then we'll see whether today profits were in loss or profit. So first I'll go with PFC. So in PFC, we got entry and we planned some target somewhere here, one more than 1:2 target. But what happened? It gave the entry and it just made this small high. There it was giving little more than 1:1. And let's say we didn't book any profit here. I'll just consider the least. I'll just take the closing price. So probably it should be giving you 0.7. So if you have entered here with 1,000 rupees risk by the closing, you should be in 700 profit. I'm not taking this 1:1 or 1:1.2. I'm just taking the price, whatever it is at closing time. So let us take the minimal thing. It is going to be around 700 profit in this trade. And then we'll go for Apollo Tyres. So in Apollo Tyres, normally when there is level above level, what we'll do, we'll try to enter in between. The other way, what we do is we enter some quantity here and then some quantity at the above level so that our buy cost will be in between. If someone traded in that manner, definitely they should have made some more than 1:2 trade, something like that. But let me consider this as a stop loss trade. Let's say we entered one trade here, we took stop loss and we waited for the second one and we didn't get entry at the second level. So let me consider this as a stop loss trade. So now the other one, Allchem, we didn't get any entry in Allchem. We planned long trade in this Allchem. So the price came just to the close of previous day close, and from there it started moving. We didn't get fill in this stock. And then I'll go to Colpal. Colpal is a nice trade. We got entry and we got 1:2.4, 2.5, which means if you are risking 1,000 rupees, you should have got 2,500 in this trade. If you have trialed this properly, you should have got almost 1:4. By risking 1,000 rupees, you should have made definitely 4,000 rupees here. But we'll consider only around 2,500 profit in this trade. And Glenmark didn't give us any entry. And Biocon also didn't give us any entry. REC also no entry. And then we'll go for IGL. Let us see in IGL. In IGL, we planned 5-minute trade. This is more or less same as Apollo Tyres. So let's say we took, definitely when there is like such a huge gap, we enter this one. SL gone here and we didn't get fill at the second level to enter one more trade. Now let us summarize and see what happened overall. So in this one, I'm just taking everything as 1,000 rupees a risk per trade. I am considering this only 700 profit in PCF, 1,000 rupees loss in Apollo Tyre, 1,000 rupees loss in IGL, and 2,500 profit in Biocon. So in Colpal. So overall around 3,200 profit and around 2,000 loss. Definitely you should have been in 1,000 rupees profit. I didn't consider, if you have managed this properly, you should have come out of this with no loss or no profit, or even you would have turned this into profit. I'm not considering all those things. I'm just taking the list, and even if you take the list, definitely you should not be lost today, but with some profit. That is about stocks for today. Now let us see what we did on index. Let me open, see, index in FinNifty, we know it is opening deep inside the zone. As I said early morning in the first 5 minutes, I can't give any trades because it will be too much of volatility. People who are good at following the supply and demand levels, they can definitely enter put here with the stop loss above that. Once it go above and if it sustains, that is where we look to go long. So from there exactly we have seen price going all the way down. So whoever entered put there should have definitely made some money. And then let us see what all the other trades which we took today in Nifty FinNifty. So yesterday we entered Hero Zero at 30. I asked everyone to exit at 25, around 5 points loss. And I'm just looking only for the index trades. So we entered 19650 call when it came to the previous low. We thought like there is going to be some bounce back. Let me show you that chart as well. Let me go to 15 minutes. So we expected around this area. We wanted to go long. It was basing a lot and it gave us stop loss and later it moved up. So let me see this. See, whatever I post, see, I posted something here to buy 19,650 call around 106. In the comments, you can see I am updating on that stock. So around this level, we entered with the stop loss below previous low and stop loss as 90. And after some time, 90 SL got hit. So in Hero Zero, we lost 5 points. And in Nifty, we lost around 10 points, around 15 points as SL. So now let us see what are the other trades which we took. We entered 20,400 put one more time as Hero Zero. So we entered this one more time as Hero Zero. We expected some nice fall, but what happened? It just took support around 20,450 and it turned around. But it gave 40 rupees target multiple times, around 39.40. It gave this multiple times. So wherever possible, you should have either booked some profit or you should have come out at the buy cost. And then let us see what, yeah, those are the only few trades which we took today. We didn't do great today in index, but we have this clear idea like FinNifty is not going to go above 20,600 as we are seeing huge call writing over there. So that is it about Nifty, Bank Nifty and FinNifty, how we traded. And for tomorrow, let us see. So even today also we wanted to go short when, see, today we thought like, to go short when it come to this level in between the two supply areas around 19,001, 19,821. This is where we wanted to go short with SL above this. But what happened? It didn't give entry. It just opened here. And from there throughout the day, it just gave one false breakdown here. And again, it moved up. There was no great movement in Nifty today. It was just uh, confusing everybody. So the plan will be same for tomorrow. If you see price inching up to this level, we'll short same whatever we plan for today. That plan will remain same. Only if you see Nifty sustaining above, that is where we look to go long. And to go short, we want the price to go below yesterday low. That is where we'll go short in Nifty. Now let me see. On 5 minutes also, it is not giving any clear nearby directions. So we'll just stick to the 15 minutes levels only. So on 5 minutes, if you see, it is kind of forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern. So tomorrow, by any chance, if Nifty go above this level, above 19,700, just enter long. So remember this level tomorrow. If Nifty go above 19,700, here you can see the price at the line, it is 19,700. If the price go above, we can look to go long in Nifty. So now we'll take a look on Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, first let me go to the 15 minutes. Let's see what happened today. So we put this trend line and we wanted to see if the price sustain about the trend line so that we can go long. It just opened there and immediately it came below. It was unable to sustain above the trend line. So, and throughout the day, it came back to this tested zone multiple times and it is just hovering. So it gave this breakdown, and again immediately we have seen this recovery. So how we should be trading it tomorrow? Here also you can see it is forming kind of reverse head and shoulder pattern. And tomorrow, if you see price going above this, what is the low of this? This is around 14,650. And here, this is around 45,950, almost 300 points. So if the bank nifty go above this area, we can easily expect around 350, 300, 350 points up move in bank nifty tomorrow. And below this level, below 650, we can definitely look to go short in bank nifty. This should be the plan for tomorrow in bank nifty. Let's see where they will open and how we'll get the entries. And coming to the stocks for tomorrow, let me give you the stocks for tomorrow. And remember, all these are for educational purpose only. You can take a screenshot of these stocks, watch these levels for tomorrow. I'll be posting the same on our Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up again tomorrow.